Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your Coinbase. It's really simple. So all you have to do is open up your Phantom Wallet right here and press the send button. And then to withdraw, you only have to select your token. Let's just say it's Sol right here. So from here, all you have to do basically is go here and the username or address tab, and then for here, all you want to do is go out of your Phantom and then go to your Coinbase wallet basically, or you can go to Coinbase, doesn't matter. So all you have to do is we are here in Coinbase wallet, so it's just gonna be the same. So here, all you have to do is go to the up down arrow button and press receive, and then copy this Solana address into your own clipboard basically, and then from there you want to return to your Phantom, allow paste, and then paste the address right here. So here you go. Now it's just pasted right here. Press next and then enter the amount of sol you want to send. But it's gonna say insufficient balance since I don't have any Solana in my wallet. But basically that's how it would work. From there, I would just press next and then it will confirm the transaction. Then you can wait for it to just send here in your Coinbase wallet, and then it's gonna show up in no time. So that's how you withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.